Yo, what's going on? I want to make this quick video to talk about a concept with you and share this idea with you because I think it's really going to help the way you perceive YouTube channels, all that sort of stuff. It's going to help the way you look at it, the way you think about it, and get you on the right path that will bring you generally the results that you want instead of trying to go for something which is probably going to keep you back from the results that you want. So yeah, I'm Jay Carter Ray from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube marketing and online business. And the concept that I want to talk about is jobber YouTubers, or being a YouTube jobber. I haven't really coined the exact phrase right about now, but it's about being a jobber on the platform. Now, if you've never heard of the word jobber before, let me quickly explain it to you through no, it's a definition, it's not really a story, but I got the term jobber from wrestling. Now, if you know about wrestling, you know that there are the main guys and there's the guys that lose. Yeah, there's the guys that lose, there's the guys that are coming up and what have you. Now, a jobber is basically just a working wrestler. So a jobber may go in on Monday and get beaten up and that's his job, innit? And he's gonna go there and he's gonna do his job and he's gonna do it well and make sure that the guy that wins looks great. That is a jobber. He's not the champion, he's not the guy that everyone knows about, but he goes in there, he gets his paycheck, he does the work. And when a lot of people think about using YouTube and coming on YouTube and creating a YouTube channel, they think about becoming the champion. They think about becoming, one of the top subscribed channels with like millions of subscribers and millions of views and making a bunch of AdSense money and money from sponsorships and stuff like that, which is totally unnecessary and unlikely for the large majority of people. Now, if you didn't know, over 90% of videos on YouTube don't get 10,000 views. So it's not as easy as you think at first. When you get in the game and you're actually putting up content, you'll understand more in it. You'll realize how difficult it is to actually bring people to your videos and have a consistent, viewer base and all that sort of stuff. But there are YouTubers on the platform, many YouTubers on the platform, many creators on the platform that use YouTube who maybe run a business, or maybe they're just a creator who's learned to create a business from their creative endeavors in order to monetize what they want to do for a living. And these people are not the most famous people on the platform. You may not even know about them, but they've got a small community of people who know about them, who are interested in what they're doing, and they show up on a weekly basis, maybe daily, and they consistently do the work. They're jobbers. They're doing the work. They're doing the consistent work in order to get the result that they want. They're not expecting to get millions of views or, millions of subscribers or anything like that. And, if you've watched any of my videos, then you don't need to get millions of views or millions of subscribers in order to actually make a living on YouTube. I think I got a video about that. I'll link to it there, I think. So you can go watch that and understand how that works. But there are many channels on YouTube. There are so many channels on YouTube. So many channels on YouTube with their own small communities that are seeing success that you don't know about. There's a guy making bikes or fixing bikes and making videos about it, and he's got a small community of people who are really interested in fixing bikes and that sort of stuff. And he's probably got a product that he's selling that helps you fix your bikes easier, and as you can see, that is a business in of itself. He's got something that his target audience would really want that helps them out, and then he makes a bunch of content around that. Now, I don't know if this is a real channel. I'm just making it up off the top of my head. But I'm sure there are channels like that. There are channels around every single interest that someone may have. And these do not have to be the biggest channels in the world. You don't have to be the biggest channel in the world in order to be successful. You just need to be able to cultivate a strong, small community around one thing. And I want more of you to actually think about being a jobber, doing the work. Now, this doesn't mean, you try and put up 500 videos to make AdSense money. That's something that I tried to do at one point. That is not a great strategy. Focus on creating an actual business and focusing on your target audience, the perfect viewer for you, the perfect customer, and serve those people and continually do that and create something that is of extreme value to them and sell it to them at a reasonable price, and you will see great success. But you don't have to be the largest person on a platform. You don't need millions of views. Don't worry if you put up a video and it gets 500 views. There are millionaires on YouTube that upload videos that don't get more than like a couple thousand views. Like it doesn't matter. The only thing that really matters at the end of the day is sales. Like, people's opinions, likes, views, all that sort of stuff doesn't matter. Sales matter. If you've got a video and it's got 1,000 views and you get like 2 sales from it, that's better than a video that got 100,000 views and you got 0 sales from it. Like, that is the only thing that matters at the end of the day. The bottom line is sales, because you need to have income in order to keep your business going. And if you don't have income to keep your business going, you can't create more content, and then everything just fails. So it's not about, I need to make more money, we need money, blah, 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 money hungry, greed. No, it's about being able to consistently help people without being fucking poor and going homeless because you're just not able to pay the bills and pay the rent and have the time to actually help people. You need to create value, and you need to charge for that. And it's also a disservice to your audience if you don't charge them, because people who don't pay attention. Trust me. Like, I put out so much free content, and I could put out a video of my exact process for building a business and being successful on YouTube, and I could put that out there and be confident that I wouldn't have any competitors. Like, most people wouldn't go through it, most people wouldn't actually apply it, because it's free. Like, free knowledge, people don't really care about it. It's like, yeah, I got it, it doesn't really matter. When you charge people for stuff, they pay closer attention, so keep that in mind as well. But yeah, being a jobber on YouTube, just do the work. You don't have to be the biggest guy. Just be someone who's consistently doing the work. Find your niche. Do what you are really, really enjoying. Focus on your specific target market and hone down on that. If you've got 5,000 subscribers, 8,000, 10,000, 2,000, it doesn't matter. Do the work. Continue showing up. And remember that YouTube is not a job, it is a business. But be a jobber in terms of just coming in and getting shit done and continually moving forward and doing what's necessary and serving your audience. Like that wrestler goes out in the ring and he's there to make sure that the audience have a good time. He's not worried about himself. He's not worried about his ego. He's not worried about looking like the weakling. Like, he's not worried about getting crushed by the big Carly or Braun Strowman or something, because I haven't watched wrestling in ages. He's not worried about that, yeah? He's worried about making sure that the audience have a great time. Like, that is what that wrestler's worried about. So make sure that you are worried about serving your audience, so you're not worried about the numbers, the vanity metrics, all that sort of stuff, because that stuff really doesn't matter. Just do the work, serve your audience, keep it moving. I hope this video helped you out. Like, it's a bit of a ramble because I didn't plan it out or anything like that. I like doing these videos, just flinging them up and seeing what happens. I don't know when I'm going to put it out, but I hope it helps you out. Question of the day: what is your business? What do you sell? What is it about? Do you have a YouTube channel for it? Let me know in the comment section down below. I really want to help out people who have businesses, or maybe you're thinking about starting a business. Let me know in the comment section. I'm really interested in that. And in the description, there may be a link to my Discord, which is going to be basically focused around, YouTube marketing and online business and that sort of stuff right about now. So that'll be the free public Discord. if you want to get in on there and get in that community. But I will see you in the next video. Peace out. And yeah, thanks for watching and liking and subscribing.